Welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Smoke and Mirrors on from the 3rd of March to the 7th of March 2025 on Monday. Magolide 6 dating advice from Tim and Sipho, and they discuss what it meant to date a woman with so many children. Mamiki and Kamuhelo calls a truce yet again on Tuesday. Caesar acted devastated as Mpendulo and Sakile tried to process Thandiswa's suicide. He celebrated death at her loved one's mourns on Wednesday. Caesar makes plans to find Thandiswa while playing the grieving husband to the world. Meanwhile, a truck driver finds an unconscious Thandiswa on the side of the road on Thursday. Jason intensifies his plan to take over Caesar and the depot, while Martha is tormented by her guilt over Kaise. As Caesar faces Mandla and the community that gathers to console him, tension run high on Friday. Jason takes over at the coal depot, but his true motives are exposed when Tim catches him breaking into Caesar's fighting cabinet, leading to a tense standoff. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Welcome back to